Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to watch local channels on your Vizio Smart TV. I will show you how you can easily get free HD channels on your Vizio TV. So stick to the video, don't skip any part and like the video. Step number 1 is take an antenna and connect it on the back side of your Vizio TV on the antenna input jack. Step number 2 is press menu or setting buttons from your Vizio TV remote. Step number 3 is to navigate to the channel option. Then click on Find Channel option. Be patient because scanning channels will take some time. After scanning, go to view all free channels to watch your favorite channels. That's the video for today. Like it and share it with your friends and family. Goodbye.